Hello, long time no see. I've been busy. Busy for what?
Editing Michelle here, let me fill her in. I was busy to paint the wall, go to Eco Center, do some Marie Kondo stuff, noticing the beauty of life, seeing some rainbows, and I managed to walk my cat. NANI? I'm also learning German, but I didn't have a photo of it. But now back to the video.
Today I just want to share this book with The Paradox of Choices, Why More is Less by Barry Schwartz.
Fun facts. On a daily basis, we make around 35,000 decisions per day. It's huge. Just by thinking these numbers makes me dizzy. Just like in German, how like fucked up numbers are. How do we say German 35,000? 35,000.
35,000.
NANI?
One of the point Barry suggests two category of people. So one is called the satisfier, and the second one is the maximizer. So what I retain is that the maximizer are the people who wants to get the nitty-gritty of a choice. They would research till they are satisfied, and because they're so afraid to make choices, so they would go like far and beyond to understand which choice will be optimal. Whereas the satisfier would be this one I didn't quite okay, like it comble le besoin. It's like satisfies the basic need. You won't go beyond the quest of searching why I make this choice. And often the maximizer 佢講個 maximizer 係好it's kind of 叫做 self-sabotage, because you find that the opportunity cost of not getting the one you want will be bigger, so therefore you have like a sense of deception. Basically what opportunity cost is that it's all the choices that you didn't make, but because you already make that choice, but you regret not making all the choices. Very interesting, right? So 有少少叫咩嗰個 narcissistic 啦，可能嗰個 maximizer 有少少 narcissistic，因為 I can identify a little bit because sometimes I really want to know all the options are in all my choices, like what are the options that is best suited for me. So I would go study every single choices, which I find it's not the optimal route.
NANI?
On page 228, there are some strategy you can use to help you avoid the disappointment that comes from thinking about opportunity costs. 1. Unless you're truly satisfied, stick with what you always buy. So stick with that. 唔使冇揾啲新嘢 because 啲新嘢would disappoint you. Second, don't be tempted by new and improve. New and improve, I guess 有好多都係marketing gimmick. The new and improve actually costs. 好似個新嘅 iPhone 14, the new and improve, the what dock? The floating dock thing. It's a feature, but would you spend like 300 more for a new and improve? You tell me. Third, don't scratch unless there's an itch. 即係有時我諗 so you don't really need that iPhone 7, but by curiosity you still want to know about it more, the itch, you know. And the fourth, and don't worry that if you do this, you'll miss out on all the new thing the world has to offer. 呢個好似唔係幾明。
この番組はご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りします。
Hello, I am what my I do to